Hello guys, greetings to all my tech enthusiasts. Thanks for joining Code Swamis. So imagine if you are in a situation where you need to close PowerShell ISE even if the scripts are not saved and you want to resume your work from where you left, then this video is right for you. In this video, you will learn about a cool tip or trick of PowerShell. Before that, if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe Code Swamis. Hit that bell icon to get notified about new videos of Code Swamis. So let's get started. When you're working on a Windows OS, it is important that any system admin should know how to kill a process using PowerShell. When Windows machine starts, it will create a process of system servicing. Windows assign a unique PID or process identifier for each service. As you can see, I have opened few apps in my Windows machine. One method to close Windows PowerShell ISE is to go into the task manager and clicking the end task. Another method is, let's say I have opened few PowerShell scripts, some of them are saved and some of them are not. With the help of kill space $PID, I can just close my Windows PowerShell ISE. So if I run this command, the Windows PowerShell ISE will be closed. When I relaunch Windows PowerShell ISE, I will receive a pop-up message. The pop-up message says, the most recent Windows PowerShell ISE did not close normally. All the files that were opened during the previous session will be recovered. As you can see, all the PowerShell scripts are recovered. The files which are saved and the files which are not saved are also recovered. That's all from this video. Hope you find this informative. Once again, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Share the video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.